Hello guys. Population residing in urban areas in India according to 2011 census was first option at 31.16%, second at 32.61%, third at 31.61%, 33.16%. Answer is A, 31.16%. Transportation system consists of dash, fixed facilities, flow identities, control system, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. Ease of movement refer to dash, accessibility, mobility, transport, none of the above. Answer is B, mobility. Access to activities refer to accessibility, mobility, trip, none of the above. Answer is A, accessibility. Act of moving from one place to another place is known as transport, transportation, trip, none of the above. Answer A, transport. Means or phenomena or process for moving from one place to another place is known as first option transportation, trip, transport, none of the above. Answer A, transportation. Urbanizations lead to growth in dash, population, human activity, area of city, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. What is the main causes of accident in urban area? First, improper planning. Second, extra wide roads, additional thickness of pavement, or traffic congestion. Answer A, improper planning. As per Indian Census 2011, there are dash urban agglomerations in India: 457, 475, 574, 745. Answer B, 475. As per Indian Census 2011, there are dash outgrowth in India. A option is 918, B option is 989. Sorry. As per Indian Census 2011, there are dash outgrowth in India. A option is 918, B option is 189, C option is 981, D option is 891. Answer is C, 981. Urban transportation dash is the process that leads to discussion on transportation policies and programs. First step system, second planning, third approach, none of the above. Answer B, planning. Which of the following cities can be called megalopolises? Chennai, Kochi, Ahmedabad, Mumbai. Answer D, Mumbai. Which of the following is not a reason behind the growth of cities? A, trade and commerce. B, hygienic outlook of people. Industrialism, development of transport. Answer is B, hygienic outlook of people. Which of the following is not one of the feature of urban community? Complex life, glamour in life, agriculture area, materialistic. Answer is C, agriculture area. Refer to refurnish or replacement of old building and new use of previously developed land in urban areas. Urban planning, urban recycling, urbanism, none of the above. Answer is B, urban recycling. Dash is the inverse of urbanization: reverse migration, under urbanization, over urbanization, suburbanization. Answer D, suburbanization. Dash has the highest population as per Indian Census 2011: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Answer B, Mumbai. Mega cities are the cities having the population more than dash 10 millions, 20 millions, 5 millions, 15 millions. Answer A, 10 millions. Metropolitan area has a population of dash or more: 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Answer C, 10 lakhs. Traffic congestion can be solved by increase the roadway throw output, increasing the passenger throw output, Reducing the demand, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. Detailed studies are carried out on a comprehensive basis in DAS plan, master plan, outline, statutory, conceptual. Answer C, statutory. Utilization of resource refer to which a role of transportation, economic role, political role, social role, none of the above. Answer A, economic role. What is the full form of NUTP? National Urban Transportation Plan, National Urban Transportation Plan, National Urban Transportation Policy, National Urban Transport Policy. Answer D, National Urban Transport Policy. What is the full form of JNNURM? Jawaharlal Nehru Nation Urban Renewal Mission, Jawaharlal Nehru National Urbanization Renew Mission, Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission, Jawaharlal Nehru National Urbanization Renew Mission. Answer C, Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission. Which one of the following is a feature of an urban area? Minimum population of 500, at least 75% of the main working population engaged in agriculture, a population density of at least 400% per square kilometer, none of the above. Answer C, a population density of at least 400% per square kilometer. Which of the following transportation systems offer the highest mobility? Rail, water, air, continuous flow. Answer C, air. Transportation systems can be evaluated by using the attributes such as dash, ubiquity, mobility, efficiency, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. A community that undergoes sudden and rapid populations and economic growth, or that is started from scratch, is known as dash, outgrowth, urban agglomeration, boomtown, none of the above. Answer C, boomtown. Transportation system helps to dash, overcome geographical, move efficiently, participate in activity, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. The responsibility of conducting the decennial census rests with the office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner Indian under Ministry of Urban Development, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Answer B, Ministry of Home Affairs. With respect to transportation system, which of the following can be said as fixed facilities? Port, aeroplane, railway signals, none of the above. Answer A, port. With respect to transportation system, railway signal can be said as fixed facility, control system, flow identity, none of the above. Answer B, control system. Which of the following statement is correct for statutory towns? A, it is a place with a minimum population of 5,000. It is a place with a municipality corporation cannot be board or notified town area committee. It is a place with a population density of at least 400% per square kilometer. Answer B. A density of population at least 400% per square kilometer. This statement refers to which the type of town? C, census town. The mobility of people and goods can be maximized by minimizing the travel time, provide the adequate frequency of service, capacity, safety and reliability. C, minimizing the travel cost, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. In urban transportation planning process, the stage, multi-year and annual element are the part of this organization, plan refinement, long range transport plan, transportation improvement program. Answer D, transportation improvement program. This is an example of outgrowth. Railway colony, both A and C, university campus, retail shop. Answer B, A and C. This is the typical defined as a chain of roughly adjacent metropolitan areas which may be somewhat separated or may be merged into a continuous urban region. Class first town, megapolises, megacity, metro city. Answer B. This is a sheet of statement that convey the planner an image of ideal system and provide the overall direction. Objective, goal, standard, measure. Answer B, goal. What is the necessary of for transportation toward planning process? Activity pattern for household, desire of household, travel pattern of household, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. This is a plan at a district level. Outline plan, master plan, advisory plan, detailed development plan. Answer B, master plan.